Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to make a wig edge tie. So we're going to use this satin to do it. This is what we need to use for it. We need satin. So let's just do the measurement. This is very easy and quick to do, so I guess everyone can easily to make this for ourselves as well. So the measurement we're going to take for this tutorial is this is very long and fold this fold you fold it into the way, fold it again. So when you fold it, it's 32 inches. So 32 plus 32, we have 64. So the length is 64 inches and the width is 12 inches. The width is 12 inches. 12 inches. When you fold it, we have with 6 inches plus this sewing allowance. Okay, so now we're going to take the measurements. So now we have 6 inches. From the 6 inches to the 6 inches, we're going to measure 16, measure 16 inches, then I just roll it. Okay, 16. Okay, this is it. And here is 16 inches. So we are doing it from the back. So from this 16 inches, we're going to take 2 inches here. We're going to, from this is 6 inches, we take 2 inches from both sides. Take 2 inches here and 2 inches here. So we're left with 2 inches. Okay, so now we're going to connect this to this. So we connect this, the other one. So now we've connect both sides. This is 6 inches. We take 2 inches off here. We take 2 inches off here. So we have 2 inches at the middle. So these 2 inches, that is what we're going to use to sew. Then I have 0.5. Now we're going to cut it. So now we're going to cut. So make sure they are aligned. So I'm going to cut this place. guys, we're going to sew all the way. Going to sew from here. So you leave this open, you sew this place. This is where we're going to turn it. Okay, so we sew everything, so I'll be right back. So now it's all sewn. We're going to turn it out and iron it. Okay, so I need to iron it now. So now guys, it's all ironed, and from inside, you sew it from inside. Okay, you can just so guys, it's done. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys going to do one of this. And thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. Thank you for my new subscribers, and thanks for the whole subscribers as well. Thank you so much for coming and again to watch my videos. The end of the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for coming once again. I love you guys. Bye.